In this episode, we venture deep into the marsh, where you are unsheltered from the weather you are dealt, and the redfish thrive. With the right moon and tide, the water begins to overcome the low flats and grasslands of northeast Florida, commonly known as a flood tide. The flooded grass provides for the perfect ambush environment for these shallow water predators. Crabs, mullet, and shrimp have little time to react by the time they catch a redfish's eye. Likewise, the redfish must act fast on the opportunity. These scenarios can result in some explosive topwater bites and provide for incredible sight fishing conditions. That is the exact thing us inshore fishermen dream of, and we weren't about to let anything stand in our way.
What up, y'all, and welcome back to another episode of Got 'em on Greg. Today I got my buddy Gray here from Fort Lauderdale. We got a flood tide all week and we about to go see if we can't try to get on some right now. As you can see, really not the perfect conditions for sight fishing, but when you got time to fish,
We'll make
go
it work.
fish.
We'll make it work.
Oh, we're gonna try to work with them. But we about to run to the spot right here in Jacksonville, Florida. Just launched out of Sisters Creek, and we're gonna go see what we can find. Y'all stay tuned. Up on the first spot. Water is definitely up in the grass. We're making our first pass, giving a quick look, and we'll end up nosing ourselves in there as a little more water fills it up.
Oh, hop out and walk to him. Where was he? I see him. I'm about to go get him. I'll walk with you. We'll go get him.
Wear those shoes.
No, I'm gonna go barefoot. He's up there, right by that stump or bird, whatever that is. Yeah. You have to be quiet walking up on him. Just try your hardest to make a good shot. You can wait it out a little longer, get a little closer. Where'd he go? He's going right at that stump. Wait until he slows down.
Is that him right there?
Yeah. Alright, throw him. Bring it in, bring it in, bring it in. Bring it in. Slow down. Twitch, twitch. He's on you. Twitch. should just put a good shot on him. Hang on. Coming right at us. Throw right past him. Why are you throwing side in? Let me see. I got this. Throw overhand right across him. Okay, reel it in. Slow down. You're gonna hook me in the face. Alright, let me throw. Reel up.
Oh, nice. It's not even recorded. Alright, we're good. I guess I just didn't put a good shot on him.
Was it recorded for that? Because that was stupid.
I think so. Bring me the damn fish. Huh?
I think there's one right here.
Bring me that fish. Oh, dang it.
Got him on.
It's just like the screen was black, so I didn't know if it was recording or not.
Yeah, I caught him in the head. You want to keep him? I'm gonna throw him in a live well. He'll stay alive. So if we get 2 fat ones, we let him go. Or if we don't catch another one, we might let him go. That's one in the live well.
You got 8 though?
Yeah. He's 18 if I've ever seen. That joker's fat though. He's been eating.
Yeah, there's also one back there. So go to this one. I think
I didn't even know.
it's a better fish.
Nice fish.
That's a nice one.
Yeah, I'm videoing and catching them. This is a good fish. I got it in my arm. I'm videotaping right now. Oh yeah, baby.
Alright, do what you gotta do to catch me. Dude, that thing's a mongoose. Oh yeah. That's what we're after right there.
Ate the NLBN mini mullet. It's a good slot fish. Beautiful.
Graze on another one. No, you threw and spooked them out, I think, because your line was way behind.
No, I started reeling up again. You threw right where I was reeling up from.
I didn't go back in that creek.
Alright,
Well,
we tried.
we're gonna get 3 days of footage, so we got 2 fish already.
Yeah.
In 1 day. That's not bad.
Not bad at all.
That looks like him.
It's not. I just threw at it. I drag it right across like I'm supposed to.
Get back in. But I think that's all she wrote. Nice fish. Definitely.
Yeah, I just got net. I'll bring it to you.
Oh my god. That is a good one right there, sir. Man, look how pretty he is.
That's a pumpkin.
Oh, that's a pretty one. Wow. That NLB in right in the corner of the mouth, right where it's supposed to be.
I'm here at Last Light with Got Him On Greg. He said, yo, throw over there, I see a fish. And it produced. Yes, sir.
Look at that thing.
Yes, sir. It'll be in little mullet. Killer. Love this thing back here.
That's awesome. As y'all can see, that's a wrap right there. Total of 3 for the day. And we are gonna run to the house.
We got her loaded up. We'll be back at it again tomorrow afternoon. Y'all stay tuned. Thanks for watching.
Hey, heck of a day, got him on. Hey, I appreciate you, brother, taking me out.
Anytime, big
Absolutely,
dog.
I
Glad to
enjoyed it.
have you up.
Hey, I like that call at Last Light. You're like, yo, throw over there.
Got him. What do we say?
Got him on Greg.
Got him on. Got him on. Just got done eating some lunch. Weather's looking kind of crappy again, but you know, we're just gonna say screw it and go try to see if we can't find them like we did yesterday afternoon.
Can't catch fish if not on the water. That's all I gotta say.
Can't get them on the couch, so with him
What's
only
that?
being here for the weekend, we're gonna shoot the gap. We probably got an hour if we're lucky, maybe an hour and 30.
If that, yeah. We'll get on.
Y'all
though.
stay
We'll
tuned
get on.
and see what we can find. Well, we're back on the water. As you can see behind me, sky looks kind of dark that way, but up in front of us, got a little bit of an opening. Definitely pretty windy, but he says he don't care,
We'll get on.
so we're gonna try it anyhow. We'll be back with y'all in a few.
right here. I can see him. Nice. Yeah. Is it blinking?
Yeah. You're so right.
Oh, beautiful fish.
Yes, sir.
Beautiful fish.
That's what's up.
Beautiful fish.
Catch and release today?
Whatever you want.
I say let him go. Let him live another day.
That's what's up, man. That's sick.
So we just caught this really nice slot redfish. You know, we got enough in the cooler right now, so we're gonna let this guy live for another day. There he goes.
That's what's up.
Heck of a redfish, brother.
Good job. Anytime, anytime. Huh?
That's big.
Yeah. That was cool. Blowing up. I think it was a jack.
That could be cool.
Oh, man.
I heard that.
He ate it.
That was sick. Hey, name of the game, you gotta eat it.
Oh, right over there. Right, hey, this way, this way. That's a big fish. Got him. Oh, heck yeah. Got him.
That's a hell of a fish, brother.
Thanks. Man, these ones got spots back here. Beautiful.
To your right, there's a fish.
There's one eating over there too. Is that your lure? Or is that him? He's right there. think he's still in that grass, buddy. Oh, there he is. He was all over it. I can see him clear as day. He's turning back your way. Got him. I got a wind knot. That's a buck. That's a freaking. There's one blowing up over here too. If I can just put a good shot on him. I think that was a sheephead. You got a man on, don't you? Oh man. Oh my gosh. That is a moose.
You got a second wind right there.
Yeah, he's 30 inches. Oh my gosh, great.
Oh god.
That thing is a stud. Tell me this thing's recording.
Oh yeah.
That thing is a stud. Dude. That's the biggest flood tide fish I've seen. Dude, give me some. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Tell me that's not sweet.
Listen to that. Right in the corner. Yo, these, what are these? Slayer inks?
Yeah.
Dude, these things are money.
Do they not get 8?
Dude, they get slain. Look at that fish. Look how beautiful that fish is.
That is sick. That's what we're here for.
Long one. Dude, bust out the tape. I'm kind of curious.
He's 30, maybe 32. They're still blowing up all around us.
Oh my god.
All in here.
Look at, oh, he's right there in that cut.
Yeah.
Alright. Bust out the tape real quick. Huh? Bust out the tape real quick. Please, sir. Alright, that's it. 0. 30
He's
inches.
30 inches.
You're right on the money.
30 incher. That's a fine fish.
absolutely inhaled the Slayer ink. Oh, whoa. That's some power.
Is that sweet or what?
Greg, I appreciate this trip, brother.
That's what we do it for.
Do you want to keep fishing? Do you want
I think we might can get one or two more.
I think they're firing up in the storm. I think we should keep fishing.
And we're smack dab in the middle of them.
And we're the only ones out here.
There's one other boat, but he's a good ways away. That's him out there.
I need a new lure, please. That one's all messed up.
That's a good problem to have. It was. Yeah, he turned on my bait, swam to it, and kind of went down. You're good. You can cut it off.
Maybe. Drop it in. Bring it over. There we go. There we go. That's the only way I could get that fish.
Nice.
This current's ripping me in there. I'm trying to be up top. You're driving. You absolutely nailed that one.
Beautiful little fish. He played the dang game.
Look at that tail. Look how blue that is.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, man.
Thanks for coming to visit. See ya.
I'm out of here.
Oh yeah.
Alright, you're driving. This is the exact trip I envisioned when I came up here. Drink some beer, hang out with some friends. Well, my best friend. But yeah, we're smashing redfish out here. Got a 30-incher. Greg got what, 24, 25?
Dang right. And then like a 19.
You know, we're tied 2-2. Are we playing next fish wins?
Yeah, we should have been playing
Who's
who's
got a shotgun?
okay.
Oh.
Get out of here. That wasn't him.
way it is back here, you could almost just sit in one spot and they're just gonna roll by you. And you just see them blowing up. It's pretty sweet. Big red right here. That's a man.
That is the man.
On the new setup. That's a freaking stud, man. Dude, he's a monster. My new PB. I'd say he's over slot.
Oh, just a little bit.
Oh man.
That is rough.
He's manhandling me.
The man is man. Is that the same one?
Oh man. Wow. Is that a tank?
This might be your new PB boat PB.
Oh my gosh, dude. Hold him up for the camera. That joker just whooped my butt.
You don't even have your NLBN anymore.
It was on the Slayer,
Oh, the Slayer.
right in the corner of the mouth. Had to have that Slayer. Come closer. Wow.
Large fish.
In the shallow water. That is fun.
Getting beat up was worth it.
Huh?
So getting beat up was worth it.
Yeah, that was fun.
Wow.
What's he?
31 and a half.
No, he's not.
Yeah. 31 and a half inch redfish. In the flats, look at that beautiful creature.
He's ready to go. That's that. Wow.
That's insane.
What a freaking fish.
In the flats. Wow, the crane don't even see it. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. back PB's broken on this boat. Wow. That's super cool. Or let's go find another 32 incher.
That was a big one.
That thing was a stud.
He ate it. I was like, oh.
Super cool. Man, I drug it. Like he was coming right at me. I drug it on top of his mouth and he ate it. Super cool.
That was on the Slayer.
Yeah.
The Slayer eats tight.
Chartreuse tail is a moneymaker too.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Where you want to go?
Back out of here, I guess.
Well, that's about all that we got for this video. As always, thank y'all for tuning in. And if you haven't already, please go like and subscribe. See y'all in the next one.